Giza Auto Export shipping cars. This is a Citroen jumper van. It is sold to Holland. The transporter has come to take the van to Holland. It is going to be loaded on the van. This is a car transporter here. I think you were on third gear.
That's why.
Yeah. This is a car transporter that came from Amsterdam, Holland. It's taking the van to Rotterdam, to port of Rotterdam, to be shipped to Nigeria. Yes. This is a Mercedes transporter, like you see it here, from Holland. It's already on. It's already on. It's already on. Already on. Great. It's a great job. It's a Citroen jumper transporter diesel engine. Okay? From Giza Auto Export Service. This is one of our job every day. Okay? We have to show this to the client because he has to see his van has been transported by Giza Auto Export Service. Okay? We'll show you when he's leaving. Okay? What? Everything is ready now, it is going. There we go. Citroen going to Holland. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone, this is a Mercedes Sprinter. Now completely inspected and prepared to be shipped to Ghana. My name is Giza from Giza Auto Export Service. This is a long version 211 diesel engine. You can see all over. It's a left-hand vehicle, left-hand cars. This is our website, carsexport.eu. This van will be transported as public transport or taxi in Ghana. All right. This is a heavy duty van. It can withstand high heat and very difficult weather conditions. So this is the van. It will be in Ghana in about 2 weeks. We are very happy to deliver this. Hello my friends, this is Toyota Yaris going to Cotonou, Benin Republic. Giza Auto Export Service. Every day we are moving cars to Africa. Alright, this is just a short video. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now shipping this Toyota Hiace to the Gambia. Okay? It's the port of Banjul. From Giza Auto Export Service. It will be going to the logistics center now, and from there will be transported with a big carrier to the port of Antwerp. And then to Banjul. It takes about 14 days to Banjul. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Mercedes G-Class. It's 2024, 2023 models. Petrol engine, automatic, brand new. Okay. If you are interested, please contact me. Giza Auto Export Service. The ultimate car. Thank you. Musst du oben aufmachen, mein Freund, oben aufmachen. Aufmachen. Okay. Langsam. Okay. ተጋበ ከፊትም ሂድና ይሄ ትራኩ መታየት አለበት። ይሄኛው ትራክ መታየት አለበት። All right. Now the car is inside the truck. This is a great job. We are very happy. The Mercedes SUV is now inside the Mercedes truck. This is a BMW 318 diesel automatic. It's going to Ghana. I'm sorry, it's going to Gambia. Banjul. Car is ready to go to the port of Antwerp from Giza Auto Export Service. All right. The truck is already ready to load it. There we go. It's loaded. Now it will be tied into the truck. This is a Renault car carrier. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Auto B, dan kuyuni Gambi busobi yalla.
Right. It. Gambia, Banjul. It will be now tied and will be secured. Thank you for watching. I'll come back later. Okay, ladies, this car is now sold to Bulgaria. Opel Zafira 76. Okay. Good morning. I am now going to show you one of the jobs we do almost every day, Monday to Friday. We are now loading a Mercedes limousine E-Class diesel engine to be shipped to port of Banjul in Gambia. We have already loaded a Mercedes A-Class which has to be shipped to Freetown in Sierra Leone. Ladies and gentlemen, many of you know us already, that we have been selling and also shipping cars, trucks, vans, buses from Germany, mostly to African countries. We also ship to North America and also to Eastern Europe. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. You can contact us by WhatsApp, email, or by phone. Thank you very much for watching. Please also visit some of our videos and also lots of documents on our website. We will give you a brief explanation about every car or van or bus or truck. We will also do technical inspections if you buy the car from another dealer. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.